superhero fans! Marvel Rivals Season 3 drops July 11th with Jean Grey, a new map, and epic Phoenix-themed rewards. Ready to unleash the Phoenix Force? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this Marvel Rivals update. Marvel Rivals Season 3 brings fiery new content, Jean Grey as a duelist, the Clintar Celestial Husk map, and a battle pass packed with Phoenix and symbiote skins, plus better matchmaking and sound upgrades. Want to know what's in store? Keep watching. Season 3 star is Jean Grey, a duelist wielding the Phoenix Force as her ultimate, ready to dominate team-based battles. The new Clintar Celestial Husk map throws you into Cosmic Domination Arena, perfect for intense showdowns. With 10 new Phoenix and symbiote-themed skins in the battle pass, your heroes will look fiercer than ever. This update is loaded. Earn a free symbiote storm skin via the Milano Repair Logs event, try costumes for free if you're a verified college student, and unlock a Hawkeye costume by watching streams. Daily missions are gone, but weekly missions carry over, and new repeatable season missions keep things fresh. Plus, Spider-Man, Mr. Fantastic, Emma Frost, and Loki get balanced tweaks for fairer fights. Season 3 also fixes maps, boosts sound quality, and improves matchmaking for smoother battles. The Phoenix Chaos Bundle adds new costume colors and emojis, while the Season 3 Championship offers updated rank rewards. With new store items and a polished experience, Marvel Rivals is leveling up big time. Marvel Rivals Season 3 keeps the game's fast-paced, team-based action thriving with fresh heroes, maps, and rewards. Jean Grey and Clintar shake up the meta, while free skins and student perks make it accessible. Dropping on July 11th, which features got you hyped? Share below. That's the scoop on Marvel Rivals Season 3. Are you stoked for Jean Grey's Phoenix Force or those symbiote skins? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.